The courtroom hummed with an unusual energy as Sean Diddy Combs's highly anticipated trial reached a pivotal stage. This day promised to peel back the layers of a clandestine existence marked by opulent expenditures and startling allegations. What unfolded within the chambers that afternoon left many astounded as the prosecution edged nearer to concluding its arguments, revealing a life scarcely conceivable. Just as all expected Diddy's former assistant, Brendan Paul, to provide testimony, an unexpected turn occurred. Paul, the individual dramatically removed from Diddy's private jet during the Miami operations, appeared in court. To universal astonishment, he invoked his Fifth Amendment right. Yet, that was not the extent of the development. He subsequently accepted an immunity pact, which meant he would not be compelled to testify against Combs at least not immediately. In a rare instance, Combs himself addressed the court, a quiet yes, Your Honor, confirming his consent to Paul's immunity. Many did not grasp that Combs was not merely waiting idly. He resided in a holding cell, watching the very freakoff videos soon to be presented to the jury. It appeared he gained a preview of the evidence against him. Following this, Special Agent Delisa Penland took the stand. While her presence might not have initially seemed electrifying, her testimony proved profoundly significant. She precisely outlined the exorbitant costs of Diddy's notorious freakoffs, describing everything from costly flights for various male escorts to their stays in upscale hotels. Though it sounded like mundane accounting, each figure, every flight record, constructed a compelling argument. The focus centered on the Mann Act, legislation concerning the transport of individuals for unlawful purposes. The prosecution utilized these astonishing expenditures to contend that Diddy allegedly arranged travel for individuals engaged in prostitution. Combs's legal team, conversely, prepared to challenge this, asserting the Mann Act to be an outdated and unjust statute. Beyond this, the proceedings revealed text messages exchanged between Combs and Cassie, stemming from a disturbing incident at the Intercontinental Hotel in 2016. The messages painted a grim portrait of Diddy's conduct, showing his panic and presenting false assertions of impending arrest. Cassie's replies formed a chilling blend, attempts to calm him intermingled with affirmations of her own distress. She informed him she had checked everything and spoken to hotel security, seemingly aiming to ease his concern regarding law enforcement, all while enduring the pain his actions had inflicted. What transpired subsequently shocked all present. The courtroom was presented with jarring photographs of Cassie's eye injuries, a stark depiction of the alleged mistreatment. The day concluded with a harrowing moment. A message from Cassie to Diddy was recited aloud, a declaration resonating with power. Nothing good comes from freakoff. You treat me like Ike Turner treated Tina Turner. This potent comparison sent shivers through the chamber, an unforgettable pronouncement that left a profound impact as the session drew to a close dot. As if that were not sufficient, Combs's American Express statement unveiled another shock. In a mere single month, he accumulated charges approaching $1 million. The itemized list included flights for entertainers from New York to Los Angeles, stays at the Four Seasons, insignificant, fees for damages. A $500 charge appeared for damaged drapes at the Beverly Hills Hotel, alongside a staggering $46,000 for damages to a penthouse suite within New York City's Intercontinental Hotel. These expenses, totaling an astonishing $944,059 for a single month, held immense significance. Prosecutors argued that every one of these bills connected to Bad Boy Entertainment, contending that Diddy leveraged his legitimate enterprise and its assets to conduct alleged illicit activities. Among them, these freakoffs. This serves as their key to substantiating the intricate RICO indictments to claim that Combs operated a criminal enterprise. The unforeseen highlight of the day consisted of the freakoff videos themselves. The jury viewed approximately 15 minutes of this footage, a duration far exceeding the mere 2 minutes observed the preceding day. The public, and indeed most in the courtroom, were denied access to these visuals. Jurors wore headphones, and, despite quick adjustments to mitigate sound leakage, the content of these videos remains unknown. The defense maintains these videos will demonstrate that Cassie and others participated willingly, not as victims of coercion. Without direct viewing, discerning the jury's perspective remains elusive. On the whole, the day appeared to represent a significant stride for the prosecution. They advanced considerably on the Mann Act, which pertains to transporting individuals for prostitution, and moved nearer to substantiating the RICO indictments, which assert Combs oversaw a criminal enterprise. The prosecution further addressed the sex trafficking allegations, emphasizing Combs's alleged dominion over Cassie. What comes next is anyone's conjecture. With Brendan Paul scheduled to offer testimony the following day, further explosive disclosures undoubtedly loom.